in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford.
The judge lays out the stakes: interference with a public servant's duties, up to 6 months in jail, and a $2,000 fine. This isn't just a traffic stop gone wrong, it's a legal battle over defiance, authority, and the consequences of resisting law enforcement. The judge is about to dig into the details.
One will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Officers initiated a traffic stop in Harris County, Texas for a vehicle having a fictitious plate bearing the word traveler on it. During the stop, the defendant refused to provide identification or insurance information, stating, "I do not consent to any of this." Officers attempted to remove the defendant from the vehicle, and the defendant actively resisted until he was detained.
That's very conclusory. Actively, what did you say?
Actively resisted.
Okay, I need more than that. Give me more, Alice.
So I reviewed the body cam this morning from the officer who initiated the traffic.
Prosecution struggles to provide specifics about the defendant's resistance, relying on conclusory statements from the report. This is a critical moment. The judge isn't satisfied with vague descriptions. In court, details matter, and the prosecution's case hinges on proving active resistance beyond a reasonable
Stop. The defendant.
No. You can't do that. No. It has to be in the report. In the DIMS, he has to say more than just a conclusory statement about what happened.
In the DIMS, it states that the officer attempted to pull the defendant out of the vehicle with him actively resisting and pulling away from the officer and other deputies. And the defendant continued by turtling his arms as they got him to the ground.
All right. Better. But you telling me that he actively, it's a conclusory statement and we need more, right? It's like saying, okay, he was speeding. Really? How fast?
Yes, Judge.
So that's why conclusory statements don't fly, but that's enough. Okay, Mr. Daly.
Sir.
I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do you have a Texas driver license? Can you run his license, please, guys?
pushes back on the prosecution's language, comparing it to saying someone was speeding without specifying how fast. This is a masterclass in judicial scrutiny. The judge wants concrete evidence, not just legal jargon. The prosecution's case is on the line.
Okay. Do you have liability insurance in your name?
That's right.
Then you can't drive. Once you get insurance, I will happily allow you to drive. It's all I'm doing is trying to protect the public and trying to protect you in the event that you get into an accident. They don't care whether you're traveling, whether you're whatever, however you want to term it. If you get into an accident and you do some catastrophic damage, they're going to come after you. They're going to sue you, try to take you for everything you got. And that's why for $50 a month, you pay for someone to represent you in the event that you do get an accident. And depending on how much you pay, you're covered $50,000, $150,000. So all I'm asking you to do is follow the law. I'm not going to put any other conditions on you. No drugs, no alcohol. I don't know. All I want you to do is get insurance.
Gotcha.
So if you can do that, I'll allow you to drive. So the only condition now is just don't drive until you get insurance. Once you get insurance, show it to me. I'll take your no driving restriction off and then do whatever you want. You need a lawyer to represent you there. So what are you doing these days?
Right now?
Do you work? No? Okay, why not? What were you doing?
Truck driver.
The weak descriptions, the judge finds probable cause to move forward. This is a reminder that probable cause isn't about perfection, it's about meeting a low bar to keep the case alive. But the real battle is yet to come.
That's a great job. Don't you make a ton of money truck driving? Why would you quit? You make it.
Taking money from my check.
Oh, I see. Child support?
No.
What?
They said they overpaid me. And they never, they was taking $170 out of my check for no reason. They never gave me anything to sign.
Isn't there a place that you can go to dispute that?
I have no clue. You tell me. You tell me.
HR. Go to HR, go, hey man, this is why my check should be what it is. If they rightfully underpaid you, then they should, give you what you rightfully are owed. If they did overpay you, that's like equally not fair though, right? So what's good for the goose, good for the gander, you know, so if you quit just in spite,
I was really I had 2 weeks notice in. I was gonna quit before,
okay,
because I was going to another
so
job.
you need